We're at the third day of the Ultimate Callout Challenge, DPI Expo. In the background, it's starting to get in a little later on the afternoon and everyone's closing down. You can kind of hear forklifts in the background. But we finished up our Alligator Live Build a day early. Our mechanics and our shops that were working on this finished it up, I think 7 o'clock last night. And ended up putting some of the things from Magnaflow on this truck. What did we do? I think it was a 5-inch.
Yeah, we did our 5-inch 50-state compliant DPF-Back kit that features it's a 6-inch tip on it. It's ceramic coated, so it's super durable. One of the great things about it, you see some of the exhaust systems in the market, the coatings that they use. After you heat cycle it a couple of times, they start to get really blotchy and discolor. With our coating on it, it stays a really nice, consistent color. Again, 50-state legal, really affordable, and of course available at Alligator Performance.
Absolutely, and so we had Matt Fraley and one of his guys that were underneath the truck there doing a little bit of adjustments on it, and it was a stupid smooth install for them. It had your brackets you could kind of adjust around, figuring out how high or how low, kind of fitting it with the rear bumper there and the body line, and how far you wanted to stick it out, past the actual fender or the body itself. And it was really simple for him. It was quick.
Yeah, one of the things that we really pride ourselves in is being easy to deal with, and that really starts with how easy the kits are to install. We pride ourselves on making sure that we have the best fitting kits on the market, so that when a customer is doing it themselves, it's not necessarily something that requires a professional install, that anybody could do it on the floor of their garage or in their driveway, and it'll be simple.
Right, and it kind of shows that obviously it's kind of like a garage or a driveway for that matter. It's wet carpet, and yeah, these guys own shops and run tools for a living and everything, but it doesn't make a difference. You can install this just as easy as they did.
Yeah, and it was simple bolt-on process, no cutting, no welding, so something really anybody with a basic mechanical skill level could handle on their own.
Absolutely. And I just want to say I appreciate you and Magnaflow for getting us hooked up with the exhaust system. It really adds an extra touch, being that kind of white and black combo, and then having that 6-inch black tip coming out of the end there. It really kind of pops, a little cherry on top.
Well, we're always happy to partner with Alligator Performance. You guys are a great partner for us, and looking forward to seeing this beast out in the wild.
Absolutely, man. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Thank you.